So the plan was to compare this Greenworks 80-volt cordless chainsaw to the Husqvarna 435 gas chainsaw, which I did do. But unfortunately, the GoPro was in time-lapse mode, so you're not going to see it in real time. But you probably could tell from the videos how much quicker the gas chainsaw seems to cut through this wood. I mean, not that the battery-powered saw doesn't have a place. It does. But if you're doing a lot of cutting, you might want to just stick with gas. Just my opinion. All right, thanks for watching.